yazi phakathi kwethu njengamadoda ukuyeza lapha. The peace within ourselves, lento esilwa nayo, sonke singamadoda silwa nayo lento. Uyilanda into ulanda into bese uzibuza ukuthi and then ubamamelo ababathethe ubamamelo bani bathetha and then where do we want to find ourselves? With all the information lephumayo wonke amasiko athi embulela thina in these days and time ukuthi phuma yonke into and then what? Sizawuphelela ama-conference sasekhona isibaya sobaba mkhulu ekusamele singeniswe wenziwani lapha
Mthina
uyabona lento esithi African spirituality samele isitshele ukuthi ingane ikhuliswa kanjani, umolokazana ungeniswa kanjani, ugogo noma umkhulu bagcatshwa kanjani, babuyiswa kanjani. Ilento esiyibuzayo ukuthi and then what? And then